Hi there, Nancy Sophia here. Are you as strong as you want to be? I'm sitting here against this wall so I can strengthen my legs as I speak with you because I'm here to inspire you to strengthen your own precious human body. I recently created a 30-day core connection strength challenge. It has 6 different practices to take you through all your muscles of stabilization. And I'll let you know that I've been working with some women one-on-one privately, and their stories are so inspiring. They started out feeling very weak because they hadn't used their bodies. They're very active in their life. They've got a lot going on, managing all the things around them, but they weren't taking care of this temple. So we started out, and in just 3 days, they're already feeling better. They're feeling more connected to their body. They have more energy. They're letting go of tensions that were from an imbalance between strength and mobility. And best of all, their attitudes have elevated. So when you build strength in your muscles, you build strength in your heart, and you care more about how you're treating yourself. So I hope you'll consider joining me. I'll pop on here every once in a while. I'll give you some tips. When you sign up for the 30-day Core Connection series, you'll be getting a wellness tip each and every day if you would like, and you'll have the motivation to follow along. So take good care of yourself, strengthen all these muscles in your body that help you stand tall, stay in balance, and do all the things you love to do. Thanks for listening. Check the link below. I'll put the link to get to the course and sign up for it and start today. Namaste.